पेट पनि ठुलो भयो
हजुर हजुर
मैले 3 बोतल खाएँ खाएँ अनि खाएपछि पेट पनि घट्यो
हजुर
त्यो फेस पनि घटेको मेरो नै नसा सम्बन्धित हो अनि नसा सम्बन्धीको नि धेरै मलाई टेन्सन भयो भने यो रोग लागेको मलाई धेरै वर्ष भइसक्यो 16-17 वर्ष भयो होला मैले यस्तो रोग.
Hello Ayurvedics, I am Dr. Balu Kolar, MD in Ayurveda. I have loads of experience in research and development on natural products and practice of alternative medicines. And today, I am going to tell you all about an exceptional product from Indus Vaiva, iPulse. iPulse is a concentrate of 15 fruits in juice form. The driving force behind iPulse is the presence of an antioxidant ingredient, acai berry. Acai berry is arguably the best antioxidant available in the world today. Acai berry is indigenous to the forests of South America, where it is consumed as a dietary supplement by the tribal people since ages. Acai berry is also #1 immunomodulator support available in the world. There are more than 60 scientific studies which indicate antioxidant benefits of acai berry. There are lots of preclinical and clinical trials which indicate the anti-cancer benefits of acai berry as well. There is a space drink which is developed by the NASA in the US, wherein the acai berry is an active ingredient which has prevented the skin cancers from radiation in astronauts. This is what makes iPulse an exceptional formulation available in the market for antioxidant benefits. What are these antioxidants? Let me tell you a simple example. When you cut open a red apple into 2 pieces and expose it to air, after some time it turns brown. This is because the oxygen available in the atmosphere reacts with the flesh of the apple, making it brown. This reaction is called as oxidation. Similar thing happens in the human body. As we respire air inside, the oxygen actually causes oxidation every minute in the body. But the human body also has some amount of antioxidants which can counteract this oxidation. The byproducts which are released during this reaction are called as free radicals. Free radicals are atoms with an unpaired electron in the outer orbit. These free radicals are generated because of external factors like the stress, environmental changes, addictions like alcohol addiction, smoking, as well as pollution. There are 3 different kinds of free radicals which are liberated during this reaction. They are superoxide radicals, peroxide radicals, and hydroxyl radicals. These free radicals target 3 important sites in the body. The first is the cell membrane, by which it damages the cell. Second is the low density lipoprotein, where it causes atherosclerosis or narrowing of the blood vessels. And the third and the most important thing is it damages the DNA, which causes mutations and cancers. The imbalance between oxidants and antioxidants lead to a condition called as oxidative stress. It is because of this oxidative stress, major degenerative changes take place in the body, like aging, diabetes, obesity, cardiovascular diseases or heart disease, stroke, infertility, cancers, and immunocompromised conditions. To combat this oxidative stress, the human body requires adequate antioxidants. The potency of these antioxidants are measured by ORAC value. ORAC stands for Oxygen Radical Absorbance Capacity, and it's the ability of the antioxidants to fight against the free radicals. A normal person requires at least 5000 ORAC units of antioxidants daily. An unhealthy person would obviously require more. But how to get these antioxidants? In order to get this 5000 ORAC units of antioxidants, one has to consume approximately 3.5 kgs of organically grown fresh garden fruits. But is it possible? Definitely not, because it is not possible to get organically grown fresh fruits today, and if available, it is too expensive. And the other major question is it possible to consume 3.5 kgs of fruit in a day? This question can only be answered by the consumption of iPulse. This is because 60 ml of iPulse will give you the benefit of 3.5 kgs of organically grown, freshly plucked garden fruits, and the ORAC value of iPulse being 7000. Another important factor that is to be observed here is acai berry, which is the main ingredient of iPulse, has a ORAC value of 1,02,700. This is 1027 times higher than that of watermelon. Apart from acai berry, iPulse also has a combination of other exotic berries like blueberry, blackberry, strawberry, and many more. Apart from its antioxidant abilities, iPulse also has a host of other benefits. It relieves inflammation, fights bacteria, fights viruses, strengthens memory, improves mental clarity, fights cellular mutation, helps reduce the risk of cancer, combats harmful effects of diabetes. It strengthens the vision, strengthens the heart, reduces the cholesterol level and inhibits platelet aggregation. It also helps in prostate enlargement, provides essential fatty acids, provides essential oils, it helps in digestion, and it is also useful in conditions like varicose veins, piles or hemorrhoids, and increased uric acid conditions like gout. iPulse is 100% natural and can be consumed by all age groups. For best results, consume 30 ml of iPulse in the morning, half an hour before breakfast, and 30 ml of iPulse in the night, half an hour before dinner. iPulse can be safely consumed by people with diabetes and hypertension. iPulse can be consumed for longer periods of time and along with other medicines also, as it is 100% safe and free from side effects. Consume iPulse for a happy and healthy life.
हजुर
छाती पनि यताबाट चस्केर यता केही निस्के जस्तो कि यताबाट केहीले घोचेर यता निस्के जस्तो त्यस्तै चस्किने कता कता त्यस्तो गर्थेँ अनि धेरै खर्च पनि गरेँ रेड बुल जस्तो हुने रहेछ त्यसलाई नि कसले 5000 हाल्छ रेड बुलै खान्छु बरु कति खाएँ त्यस्ता रेड बुल भन्ने त्यस्तो भयो अनि त्यही दिदीसित आएँ अनि एकचोटि बुझेँ अनि बुझेपछि खाइहालौँ एउटा खाएँ सुरु दिनमा अलिक धेरै नै खाएछु मिठो मिठो भयो भित्र बाहिर गर्दै ढकन खोल्दै खाँदै दुई दिन तिन दिनको दिन यस्तो ग्यास्ट्रिकको त्यति ख्याल गरेन मलाई एकदम सताएको सेतो पानी बग्ने
ए हजुर
अनि त्यो चाहिँ 2-3 दिनको दिन छक्कै भयो मलाई
3 दिनमा दिन थियो भयो
छक्कै भयो त्यसपछि ग्यास्ट्रिक अनि यो भुँडा पनि बसेर उठ्दाखेरि एकछिन यस्तो खच्चाउनु पर्ने क्या भुँडा दुखेर अनि भुँडा पनि सन्चो भयो अनि टाउको दुख्न यो छाती घोच्ने अनि बसेर उठ्दा रिङ्गाउने सधैँ प्रेसर लो हुने अनि जसले सोध्यो पनि सन्चो छैन जसले पनि सन्चो छैन के हुन्छ र तिमीलाई यस्तो बिरामी भएको जहिले बिरामी भएको भन्छ सधैँ बिरामी हो कि घरतिर
सुरुमा आउँदा तपाईँ फेसै कालो भएर आयो नि
त्यहाँ बस्न नि सकेको थिएन अनि सासूहरूले पनि मलाई स्याहार गर्ने भन्दाखेरि त यसलाई पो स्याहार गर्न पर्ने हिजो मान्ने बुढाले पनि अब के अरे मैले कमाएको पैसा जति तँलाई नै दबाई गरेर सिकाउने हो भन्ने त्यस्तो हुन्थ्यो अनि सुत्दाखेरि मैले सोध्थेँ कि जरैबाट उपचार कहाँ पाइन्छ होला भन्ने हुन्थ्यो हैरान हुँदाखेरि हुन्छ कि त्यही लगेर खाएँ मैले 2टा खाएँ अहिले नानीहरूलाई एक एकवटा खुलाएँ अहिले ठिक छ
सब
खाँदैछु
ए अहिले खाँदै हुनुहुन्छ ठिक
ग्यास्ट्रिक त मलाई सानैबाटै थियो गोटा पर्ने
ए
उस्तै पर 15 दिन दिशा नहुने
ओहो
त्यस्तो हुन्थ्यो अनि मैले एकचोटि पर्दसनमा काम गरेको थिएँ नि पर्दसन 15 दिन लाग्छ क्या हो मैले 15 दिन दिशा नगरेँ त्यतिखेर थाहा भयो याद पानी खान नपाइने हो यो त त्यहाँ एकदम याद भएको त्यहाँ पर्दसन लाग्दाखेरि अनि त्यो यो सेतो पानी बग्नु चाहिँ अहिले मेरो छोरी 17 वर्षको भयो छोरी पाएको लगभग 7-8 महिना पछिबाट अहिले ठिक छ भित्रैबाट